The Honorable Atambo was woken up at 6 in the morning when she was also preparing to go to her workstation in Thika. And indeed, she eventually never went to Thika and was brought to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission offices. The entire day today, we have spent time at the courts and the EACC offices trying to secure her release because the warrants of search were not directed that she gets arrested. But what was issued was warrants or warrants to, search her premises.
The application that was done using a fake name. Our client is called Stellah Atambo. The EACC went to court pretending and purporting our client to be called Bonareri N. That is giving false information to a public officer, and we shall be making a complaint to the DCI tomorrow to arrest the officers of the EACC who lied on oath that our client is called Bonareri